Play-to-earn games like Axie Infinity and Zedrun have seen a radical influx in popularity in the last year or so, but they're not the only games out there with huge opportunities. Decentraland has quickly become one of the most popular crypto-based play-to-earn virtual reality worlds. Contained within it is everything from beautifully complex 3D environments to interactive systems like games and casinos. By purchasing and selling assets within the Decentraland world, you can generate profit, but that's not the only way to make money with the platform. Stay tuned as we explore the various ways that you can earn crypto while interacting with the ever-evolving world of Decentraland. Investing in in-game assets. Decentraland offers its users numerous lucrative investment opportunities. These come in two main forms: land and estate. Each parcel of land in the digital world of Decentraland is 16 meters by 16 meters in size. These chunks are represented by NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. Just like in our real world, Decentraland land parcels are finite. The limited nature of these parcels makes them particularly valuable. You can buy land through a third-party marketplace, such as OpenSea or Decentraland's native marketplace. To purchase a parcel, you'll need a token called Mana, which you can get by exchanging Bitcoin or any other crypto on exchanges where the token is listed. Since land parcels are limited, they have continued to increase in value as more and more investors have entered the market. Buying and selling estates is another great way to earn money with Decentraland. Since activities within Decentraland are community-driven, what determines the value of the game's land is its location and how it's being developed by its owner. By buying land parcels adjacent to others, you can then merge them into estates. After you've done this, you can then develop these estates into environments such as digital art galleries, shops, casinos, games, and other places where people can interact and hang out with each other. Selling land and estates is just as easy as buying them. From the marketplace of your choosing, simply select which asset you want to sell, set your asking price and the offer's expiration date, and then click the List for Sale button. Casinos. Many online casinos these days have started accepting Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Casinos built within the Decentraland Metaverse have also adopted this model. You can always try your luck by playing traditional casino games such as roulette, slots, or blackjack within the Decentraland world, or you can get in on the action yourself by earning Decentral Games tokens. Decentral Games is the gaming platform that provides the casinos in Decentraland with their games. The platform gives the casino properties ownership to the Decentraland community, so pretty much all decisions belong to the users. By playing Decentraland's casino games, you can earn Decentral Games tokens. The holders of these tokens then get a chance to vote on whether to construct new casinos or games on their land. And these tokens are inherently valuable. You can earn them by playing games with Mana, referring new players to earn referral rewards, or by investing your tokens in the company's governance contract to earn a governance bonus. Working for Decentral Games. Decentral Games is hiring people for actual jobs within the Decentraland Metaverse. They're currently looking for people to do things like working as a host in virtual casinos at a fixed rate of about $200 per month. Once you've gained experience and proved your worth as an employee, you can get promoted to higher ranks with better pay. Creating and selling clothes and other wearables. Decentraland players can customize their avatars however they like to match their unique personalities. Several parts of these avatars' bodies can be decorated with wearable accessories. To cash in on this, you can create designs for wearables and clothing items as NFTs and then sell them at the marketplace for a profit. To accomplish this, you'll need to have some experience with 3D modeling, but alternatively, you could always outsource this work to other designers on a freelancing platform like Fiverr. Work as a Decentraland freelancer. If you have a specialized skill, you can offer your abilities and services to other Decentraland players for a fee. A few jobs you can find within the world of Decentraland include 3D modeling, coding, video production, art design, and marketing, but that's all really just the tip of the iceberg. To find job postings, join the Decentraland Discord and search for the #hiring channel. By no means are these the only ways to make money with Decentraland, but this video should at least help you get started. If you're interested in other play-to-earn games, check out this video on NFT games that you can currently play for free. We'll see you in the next video.